What's up, guys? It's Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma V2 Kraton and my Outcast V2.5. I'm gonna do a little batching with both vehicles today. I'm gonna run them both on 4S. I may do a speed test. I don't know. You know, this Kraton, this is the V2. It's not bad at all. I had to switch out the wing because I broke it all up, and I changed up the body, lights in the front, and then you got the Outcast, which this car is great. Both of them are great vehicles. I just want to see the difference handling, like the performance, different performance. See how I handle off-road, on-road. I'm speed test coming soon, but it's just I don't have the place to do it. I do got a couple places to do a speed test for this, but this test is just for driving, just to bash around. Starting off with the Outcast. Peace. I hate to even bash this like this with this with the lights in the body. I don't know what that was. Wasn't bad though. What I hit right there with all these leaves, I can't tell. Perfect. See if I can get a nice little back flip. That was actually perfect. Thing is a beast. This thing, see the Outcast, it flips better than the Kraton altogether, but I think the Kraton 4S, me personally, the Kraton 4S glides in the air better. Like two different drives, but that remains to be seen. Barely made it though. I think this is a right spot right here. Whoa! Almost hit the tree. It's a little cold out here though, So these batteries ain't really give them a chance to run. Oh, come on. This little beast. I'm gonna try to get a. Oh my God, I'm glad these are durable. Jeez. I think I went to LBC. This mother. Can't be. Oh my God, my finger. It slipped right off. Slipped right off. Thing is, I got different gloves on today. My normal gloves won't happen. Hard to catch that. Trying to do hard turns and then gas it, kind of really can't do that. Oh, geez. At least I'm landing on my feet. Now let me stop that because it's kind of cold. Alright. I want to see how she handles these speed bumps before some cars come past. And then I'm going to pull out the Kraton. This street a little too busy for me. Ooh. That's the beast. The beast is out. Servo is a little weak. Thought I changed that out, but I must didn't. Whoa. Yeah, these gloves are kind of messing me up. Tighten the slipper clutch. I don't know why it seems like it's still pulling on me. Pulling a little bit. Yeah, but I straightened out the slipper clutch, changed the arm. That was bad. So she should be in a better place right about now. The steering is still weak. I changed out the servo. Boom, boom, bang, bang. No, no, not down there. That was that, yeah. Like I can't get up like that. I guess because of the it's wet. It's sliding more than it's gripping, so. Come on, I just replaced that wing now. I used to get better ups on here. But like I said, it's the rain. I gotta remember that. Wet leaves, you got leaves and everything. Damn it! Yeah, I mean, the best thing that they could do was put a center diff in here, because this thing is not performing. Not performing like it's supposed to. It is not performing like it's supposed to. If I'd have had the center diff instead of the slip, it wouldn't be slipping. It would actually grab. I don't know what's going on. Actually, I do know what's going on. It's still a beast though. I mean, I ain't knocking my Kraton now. I love my little 4S Kraton. Love my little 4S Kraton. No, no. Okay. All right, to the, oh, what was that? Yo, what's going on with you? Like you don't want to turn, that front wheel is wobbling like something's off. Front wheel is off. Rear drive. Now I'm back in the shop. I just cleaned them up. I didn't really look for the problem with the Kraton, but I know what it is. The pin to the front drive shaft came off. I'm gonna look into that, but performed pretty good. Kraton let me down a little bit, but what can you do? The pin came out, the pin came out. I was wondering why I wasn't getting drive. It most likely bin came out, so That's why I wasn't getting up like that, and the jumps wasn't performing like it usually does. It does a lot better than that. Now the Outcast handles it business out there. Nice jumping, flipping, zipping, and everything else. Both of them are nice and durable. Can't say nothing about that. They both are durable. The Outcast win that battle right there, the V2.5. But you figure if this had the drive shaft messed up. I don't know why, but it did. But this upgraded Outcast, I didn't have it as long as the Kraton. I had the Kraton for like a little bit over a year, and this thing was performing non-stop, so I can't fault it for this one time out of 20 that it's a bad truck. It's still awesome. I like the handling of it, and like the drive. It stay planted better. You wheelie when you want to wheelie. You know, handle turns, sharp turns, and everything doesn't flip. And surprisingly, so does the Outcast. It handles turns and doesn't flip. Nice power slides with both cars. I was gonna blow the lights, and as you see, the lights are still pretty good on there. They still come on. I didn't cut it on, but they still come on. Damage to each car. There is no damage except for this front. I think it's the right, left. Which one is it? I think it's this one. Yes, this one. See the pin back there? The pin came out somehow, and I don't know how, but it's nice and free there. It's cool. I can fix that, no problem. But the Outcast didn't surprise me because I knew it was going to perform like that. As for a rating, this gets a 10. Definitely get it all around 10. And this today gets a 9.5. Performed with that drive shaft off, so it was like 3-wheel drive. It still performed pretty good. More videos coming soon. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, leave a comment, and I'm out.